Tired of paying for AI videos? Well, you can generate high-end cinematic clips for free using Grok. And I'm going to show you exactly how you can use Grok to generate everything from product ads to full-blown animations. So let's dive in. First off, head to grok.com/imagine, and in here you can simply sign in using one of these options. I'm going to sign in with my Google account, and that's it. 5 seconds and you're already in. Now in here, you have this input area where you can enter in your prompt. You already have this video selected. If not, you can click on this button, select video, and then you have options like video duration, resolution, and aspect ratio. So let's talk about that. First off, you can generate longer videos, but for that you'll need a subscription to use 10 seconds duration. Next, you have higher quality if you use 720p. Again, for that also you'll need a subscription. But for aspect ratios, you can choose any one of these. Usually, you should stick to 9:16 or 16:9 if you want a cinematic look, and 9:16 if you are using it on any of your social medias. So the first video that I'll be creating is a product hyper realistic shot. So I will be using the 16:9 option, and in here I'm going to add in a prompt. And here's my prompt. It's nothing detailed, it's literally very vague. It mentions the product that I'm trying to create the video for, which is an espresso machine which is brewing coffee, and I've described the environment a bit. So that's it. I'm going to send this and let's wait for it to generate. And it literally took like less than 30 seconds. This is what the output looks like. Did you see that? Doesn't that look so realistic? And also it has added like sound effects, which is just cherry on top. So that was a hyper realistic video, but let's try to use Grok to create some other style of video like a cartoon. So back in my dashboard feed, I'm going to add another prompt. This one is to create a 3D Pixar style animation of a cute orange cat wearing tiny superhero cape. Now let's see what it creates. Okay, so it has created like two different videos and it's asking me to choose between them. So in all honesty, this one is more cartoonish, whereas this one looks a bit realistic for a cartoon. Like the color grading and all that is better in this one. So I'm going to choose this one. And honestly, I'm impressed on how it has created this character. Plus, it has some sort of dialogue also. So let me show it to you.
Up and away. Woo!
And this is literally perfect. I mean, I did not expect the output to be so good. Now, the real test would be to add in our reference image and see what it generates and whether or not it is able to follow the instruction while keeping the subject same. So let's try that out. First off, I'm going to add in a reference image by clicking on this button right here. Here, select this animate image option and you can upload any of your image. Now, as soon as you upload your image, it will start the generation because it will literally just animate the image that you have provided. So here's what it has created using the image. It has literally just animated, making the girl walk towards the camera. Now, if you want any specific changes, you can literally type it over here and it will generate the video for you. Like in here, I asked it to make her do cartwheel and this is what she's doing. I mean, if you notice, the video is kind of, I mean, you can tell that it's AI because of the movements of the body. But if I were to add in a more detailed prompt, maybe that wouldn't be the case. This is another example of an reference image. It was just a product image and I asked it to make the drink charm as well as ingredients. So this is what it looks like. It looks quite realistic as well. This was the image, by the way, and this was the video. Now, lastly, if you want to download one of these videos, simply click on this download button, and if you want, you can even share it using this link here. Now for deletion, you can click on this button right here, delete the video as well. Also, to find all the videos that you have created in your Imagine feed, simply go to the favorites and here you can find your favorites. Lastly, if you ever feel stuck for ideas, you can literally scroll through here, and not only can you see the results of what other people are creating, but if you click on any one of these videos which you like, you can literally see the prompt that they've used. Like, look at this. This is such a cool animation, and you got the whole prompt as well. You can simply copy this, make tweaks, and adjust to yourself. So that's it. High quality AI video is now at your fingertip. Go try out at Imagine and let me know which style is your favorite. And I'll see you in the next one.